Hello everyone, welcome to Asparica. Today's topic is very important Supreme Court cases series for all competitive exams. And the first case in this series is the Kesavananda Bharti case of 1973. This case is one of the most important judgments in Indian constitutional history because it gave us the famous basic structure doctrine. In simple words, this case answered a very big question. Can Parliament amend any part of the Constitution without any limit? Or are there some core features of the Constitution that cannot be destroyed? Let us understand this case in a very simple exam-oriented way. Before understanding the case, we need to know the background. After independence, the government wanted to bring land reforms and remove inequalities in land ownership. But many of these laws were challenged in courts, saying they violated fundamental rights, especially the right to property, which was a fundamental right at that time. Then a conflict started between Parliament and the Supreme Court. Parliament, which wanted to amend the constitution and bring reforms, whereas the Supreme Court, which was protecting the fundamental rights. Before Kesavananda Bharti case, there were already important cases like Shankari Prasad case of 1951, which said Parliament can amend fundamental rights. Sajal Singh case of 1965 also gave similar view, whereas Golaknath case of 1967 said Parliament cannot amend fundamental rights. So there was confusion. At this stage came the Kesavananda Bharti case. Who was Kesavananda Bharti and what happened? Kesavananda Bharti was the head of a religious mutt called Eglir Mutt in Kerala. The Kerala government passed land reform laws that affected the mutt's property. So, Kesavananda Bharti approached the Supreme Court under Article 32 for protection of his rights. But while the case was going on, the bigger issue became not just property rights. The real constitution question became how much power does Parliament have to amend the constitution under Article 368. The main constitutional question. The Supreme Court had to decide this. Can Parliament amend any part of the constitution including fundamental rights without any restriction, or is there any limit to Parliament amendment power? This was the core issue in the case. Judgment of the Supreme Court. In 1973, a 13-bench judge bench of the Supreme Court gave its judgment. This is one of the largest benches in Indian judicial history. The court gave a historic decision. The Supreme Court said Parliament can amend the Constitution under Article 368. Yes, Parliament has wide powers to amend the Constitution. But here comes the main point. Parliament cannot alter or destroy the basic structure of the Constitution. This is the most important line from this case. So, the court created the basic structure doctrine. What is the basic structure doctrine? Basic structure doctrine means some core features of the Constitution are so important that Parliament cannot destroy them, even by using its amendment power. Parliament can amend the Constitution, but it cannot damage its identity. In simple words, Supreme Court said, you can change the Constitution, but you cannot destroy its foundation. What is basic structure doctrine? The court did not give one fixed full list in a single line, but over time, some important elements of the basic structure became clear. Examples include supremacy of the Constitution, rule of law, judicial review, separation of powers, federalism, secularism, democracy, republican form of government, free and fair elections, unity and dignity of India. So remember, Parliament can amend the Constitution, but it cannot destroy these core constitutional principles. Why this case is important? This case is important because it created a balance between Parliament's power and constitutional limitations. If the judgment has not come, Parliament might have claimed unlimited power to change any part of the Constitution. But after this case, the Constitution remained supreme. So, this judgment protected India's democracy and constitutionalism. That is why the Kesavananda Bharti case is called a landmark judgment. Now let us revise the most important exam points. Kesavananda Bharti case. Year 1973 issued Parliament's power to amend the Constitution under Article 363, and the bench is 13 judges bench. Key outcome of this case is basic structure doctrine. Judgment: Parliament can amend the Constitution but cannot destroy its basic structure. So, we understood that the Kesavananda Bharati case of 1973 is important because it gave the basic structure doctrine, which says that Parliament can amend the Constitution but cannot destroy its essential features. To subscribe for more such videos, thank you. Subscribe to Asparica Hub.